G'day folks, I'm Benno. This is the shed. Welcome. I've been working on the this 83 Yamaha XJ900 for the last little bit. Done some subframe repairs and was setting up some mounts for the seat and some bracing for the subframe. So without further ado, I'll just get into it without yabbering on too much. This is the underside of the Honda seat. These two brackets here, I'm going to have to pull them off and make up something longer to fit there, because that's just not going to fit on the frame properly. These bumpers here and here, I've also got to make up a spot for them to sit onto. They support the centre of the seat, so without that the seat will just sag and yeah, be horrible. None of this is welded in yet, but what I've done here is I've made up just a slotted hole for the bracket for the front tongue of the seat. That's going to be screwed in, or is screwed into what will be part of the brace. I'm going to brace this section forward of it. That's going to be in another video. This cross section here will take up the front bumper of the seat, and this here, which is just sitting here at the moment, is part of the original Yamaha subframe. I've just cut up a plate to sit on top of it. That'll take up the rear bumper of the seat. Also, what I've done is I've welded in a brace that runs forward to the diamond section of the frame. That will stop the let me see, this vertical movement, which is why these frames crack round about here. Yeah, that's about it for the last couple of days. It's more thought than actual actions, but yeah, it takes time. It takes a little bit of brain exercise, which is good. I need as much brain exercise as I can get. So that's progress there at the moment. Next thing I'm going to be working on is actually the front mountings for the tank, which will be up here. That will have if I can get that to go through, there we go. So this will be a temporary mount, just so I can position the tank exactly where I want it and make up the following brackets. So this will have a tag that will come off the top here, and then I'll be able to position the tank back and forward to exactly where I want it. So if you've made it to the end of this short video, yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. That's the progress so far, and yeah, I'm pretty happy with where it's going. Alright, so guys, if you haven't subscribed, if you're watching this, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop us a comment, catch us around.